Okay, I just got this back together with my part. I'm missing one screw. I was just in such a hurry. I just want to test this and see if it works. I've even got the wrong motor. I'm using the X-axis motor, but it's okay. So I go to my little site up here that tells me how to move things, and I can push on the X and go plus. And I can go back to minus. And that's moving. Now it's probably hobbling because this is not quite squared up. I got to do some fitting, put in all the screws and all of that stuff. But I am just so thrilled after all this time. Ever since Margaret broke her foot, I haven't been able to do anything on this but print this one part. I'm feeling pretty good today, so I'm going to try to get some more time. At any rate, we have a y-axis going back and forth using the universal G-code server, and I'm going to my Arduino CNC mill shield, CNC shield for running the 3 axes. And I have still up here my Z, I'm guessing. Hold on. If I move it a little bit, I hope. Oh yeah, there it goes. See how it goes up? Stop, stop, please stop. Okay, good. Back down. Okay, so I've got a Z, and I have the Y here, which is using the X motor, so I've virtually tested everything. Now what I have to do is get this shaft cut and figured out, print its part, put it in there, and I will be able to reassemble. I'm hoping I can get that done today if I get permission from headquarters. All right, lunchtime. Had to do this, get a post out to you guys so you knew we're alive. We are alive. That's going to be exciting. That's smooth, isn't it? I have 4 ball bearings in there, 2 thrust and 2 axial ball bearings. Both the X and Y will have that. Okay, gang, that's all I can do today. Well, I mean, all I can do for now. Going back up. Later.